Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have created my everyday makeup look. So this is also a beginner friendly makeup tutorial, so please keep on watching. I have already moisturized my face. Now I'm starting with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Primer. I'm applying it all over my face. Now here I'm mixing these two shades together to make my perfect match. One shade is lighter for me and the other one is too dark. So mixing these two matches my skin tone perfectly. Now I'm taking my beauty blender to blend everything in place. Then I'm taking my Eyebrow Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm using it under my eyes and also on my eyelids. Here I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix powder to set my concealer and also my face. Then for my eyebrows, I'm taking the Etude House eyebrow pencil to fill any sparse areas. Here I'm taking the Miss Clear liquid highlighter and I'm applying it on the high points of my cheeks for that extra glow. I tried blending it with my fingers but it didn't work, so I went with the sponge and it worked really well. Then here I'm applying some mascara to give some volume to my lashes. Then I'm using this lipstick as my blush. Then I'm using e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Bubbles. And on top of it, I'm applying some lipstick. I'm just dabbing it, not layering. And here is the final look. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel.